This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth.Walthall. Attractive third floor, 2-bedroom unit with vaulted ceiling. Living room opens to dining area, kitchen, and a sliding glass door opens to balcony. Appliances include refrigerator, dishwasher, electrical range. Hot water heater replaced in 2018. Located in a gated community with a pool and clubhouse. Easy access to I-64, Thomas Nelson Community College, Langley Air Force Base and NASA Research Center, shopping and more. Rentals allowed in the community. Tenant occupied until July 31, 2022. For more information, review the details below.